Hey guys, how you doing? This is Max from Russian TV, and today is gonna be a really quick video lesson because today's a special day. You know, everybody's loving each other. It's Valentine's, you know, even though I don't celebrate it because I don't think that you need one special day of the year to show your girlfriend or your wife how much you love her, or the other way around. You know what I mean? I have a girlfriend and I love her every day of the year, so I can buy her those gifts any other time. I don't have to wait for this day. But anyways, I know other people do celebrate this and it's whatever. So I prepared some words for you guys here that I'm gonna be going ahead real quick and telling you. So I hope you learn them and use them in your future with your loved one. Okay, so let's get started. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I do quick 15-second videos, word of the day. You'll learn them real quick. I hope you guys love it. The links will be in the description below. Check them out. Don't forget to subscribe me or also check out my website. It's russianmetv2.blogspot.com. Okay, enough of that. Let's get started. First word is I like you. I like you. Ты мне нравишься. Ты мне нравишься. Next word is I love you. Я тебя люблю. Я тебя люблю. I love you. Я тебя люблю. Next word is I've fallen in love with you. Я влюбился в тебя. Я влюбился в тебя. I've fallen in love with you. Я влюбился в тебя. Next word is I adore you. Я тебя обожаю. Я тебя обожаю. Я тебя обожаю. Okay? Again, я тебя обожаю. Next word is I want you. I want you would be я хочу тебя. Я хочу тебя. You gotta say it with the passion, you know what I mean? So I want you. Я хочу тебя. Next word is I respect you. Я уважаю тебя. Я уважаю тебя. Я уважаю тебя. Next word. I miss you. Я скучаю по тебе. Я скучаю по with a P тебе with a B тебе. Я скучаю по тебе. I miss you. Next word is I'm thinking about you. Я думаю о тебе. Я думаю о тебе. Я думаю о тебе. Я думаю о тебе. Next word is you're always on my mind. Ты всегда в моих мыслях. Ты всегда в моих мыслях. Ты всегда в моих мыслях. You're always on my mind. And I can't live without you would be я не могу жить без тебя. Or я не могу без тебя жить. Я не могу без тебя жить. Or я не могу жить без тебя. I can't live without you. And the last word that makes everybody happy, but some guys upset when they get rejected, it is will you marry me? Will you marry me would be ты выйдешь за меня замуж. If you're a guy proposing it to a girl, you say ты выйдешь за меня замуж. Ты выйдешь за меня замуж. Because you say муж, муж means husband. That's if you translate it from English to Russian. I mean, муж, yeah, from Russian to English, is husband. So замуж. Okay? Now, женись на мне. Now you also proposing to женись на мне. She is asking you. That's if a girl is proposing it to a guy. She will say женись на мне. Or хочешь на мне жениться. Do you know why? Remember when I said to you before, last word замуж, муж is husband, right? Now, жениться. What do you hear in there? Жена, right? Жена, so жениться. So she's asking him, женись на мне, or хочешь на мне жениться, so make me your wife, pretty much. So it's very similar words and very easy because it's pretty much one word in the other word combined, and it's, you know, it makes one sense. So жена, жениться, муж, замуж, замуж, жениться, жениться. It's very simple. You guys will get it. Don't forget, this video will also be on my website, RussianMeTV2.blogspot.com, and all the words will be only on the website. It will not be in the description below this video. So please go ahead and check out my website, guys. It means a lot. I work really hard to make all these videos and to make all these new lessons. So I hope you appreciate it. Don't forget to check out the site, like me on Facebook. Please subscribe to this channel. It's very easy. Just click boom, subscribe, and you're done. It's as simple as that. If you know anybody else who's trying to learn a new language, such as Russian or English, from Russian to English or from English to Russian, don't forget to refer them to me, as I am trying to be one of the greatest teachers on YouTube. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy today's day and every other day that comes after that, and I'll catch you guys later in my next video. Peace.